Welcome to Home Glitz. Today we are going to make a simple and easy starter recipe chicken 65. I have taken 400 gram of boneless chicken, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Some salt, and now let's mix them well. Once we get this, let's add some oil in a pan and add the chicken pieces once the oil is heated up. Now let's flip them over so that the other side of the chicken can cook well too. Now they have turned golden brown, and let's transfer them into a plate. Our crispy and tasty chicken 65 is ready. This is an easy and simple recipe. Please do try this recipe at home. If you like it, like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Glitz. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.